Tired of this one soda. Fridge takes forever.
Are you tired of waiting for your fridge to cool your cans? Well, wait no longer. We here at Team Awesome Inc. have the invention that's just for you. Hi, my name is Pierre Jean-Claude Von St. Pierre, and if you're like me, you enjoy a cold drink. That's why we here at Team Awesome Inc. came up with the Insta-Can Cooler, cooling your drinks faster for you, without watering them down with those nasty ice cubes.
Hi, I'm Clarence Hasselhoff, co-founder of Team Awesome Incorporated, and I'm here to show you the weaknesses of the common household refrigerator. 1 minute in the refrigerator will not do much for this can.
I love this show.
Doctor, 1 minute has now elapsed. We can remove the can, open it. We can feel that it's pretty warm. We'll now pop the top, as it were, and put it in. As it were. That is proper grammar, Doctor. We will now witness the temperature, starting off at 20.5. This is an indoor-outdoor thermometer, and that's the current room temperature, and this is the temperature outside of the probe, which, as you can see, is located in. As you can see, it immediately shoots up to 21.7 from, still going up, 22.1. That's not very good. It's not a good drink. It's too warm, don't you think?
Yeah, it's colder than the air around it.
Warmer than the air around it.
That's exactly what I said.
Exactly. This is what we spent years in engineering school for, so we could become doctors and do this video.
Very important video.
So, it's still going up, as you can see. Doctor, would you please taste it and tell me how it tastes?
I prefer not to, but I will.
Thank you for making this sacrifice once again. Please don't throw the can at me when you're done. Are you going to make it, Doctor?
That's terrible. I think I'll survive this round.
Alright.
Testing.
Now let's compare this against our method, the Insta-Can Cooler.
Here it is, the Insta-Can Cooler.
Here again. We actually do not have the Insta-Can Cooler because there's been such a demand for the Insta-Can Cooler that we cannot actually get one for display. But this is going to illustrate the very purpose that the Insta-Can Cooler does in cooling your can to a reasonably good temperature in the same amount of time in the fridge. In fact, less time than the fridge. We did this for 1 minute and we were going to do this for 1 minute. The Insta-Can Cooler works like this. In its patented design, the can rests on ice like this. And then it is spun very fast for a minute, and then it becomes cold. So we're going to do this starting now to demonstrate the effects. Right. Now also, along with the Insta-Can Cooler, we are going to sell our patented ice cube tray, which allows for a curvature of the ice cube to increase surface area and therefore making the Insta-Can Cooler more effective.
Exactly. And that's time.
Alrighty, that has been spinning for 1 minute. As you have witnessed, we are now going to pop the top. As you can see, not a lot of fizz. There have been complaints of that in the past. We have worked to fix that to suit your needs. Here's the temperature. Room temperature 21.2. You remember what the temperature of the can was when it was stuck in the fridge. The temperature of the can whilst it was in the fridge was 22.5 degrees Celsius. And look, it's already 7 degrees cooler, almost entirely. Now it's 8.2 degrees shorter.
That is drinkable temperature right there, ladies and gentlemen.
But wait, it still goes down. Watch. Oh, it's getting near 10 degrees now from the temperature that the fridge brought it in the same amount of time.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is just 1 minute with the Insta-Can Cooler, spinning by hand. When you have the real thing, and spinning twice as fast, expect twice as cold a drink.
Exactly. I'm going to sample this. That's a cold soda. The Insta-Can Cooler, thanks to years of painstaking research, we have found that it cools cans 6 times as fast as the normal refrigerator does.
And it can be yours today for the easy purchase price of $29.95.
Plus shipping and handling.
Order yours today!
Now the world don't move to the beat of just one drum. What might be right for you may not be right for some.